Hey, let's color a cute snail together. I'm going to do the first part with my yellow marker. This is yellow. Do you see yellow? This is yellow. Awesome, it's perfect. Now let's do the second part. I'm gonna use green. It's green. Now I like to use blue. This is blue. Blue like ocean. Did you see the color of ocean? That is blue. What is your opinion about purple? Because this is purple. Repeat after me. Purple. Now it's cute pink turn. This is cute pink or pink. This is pink. Wow, my favorite color is orange. This is orange. Hey, if you like my channel and my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video.
Thank you.